What's up, Crim Heist? Welcome to another criminology educational video. And for today, we will be discussing traffic management and accident investigation. By the way, my name is Sean Francis Sandego, also known as the Professor. So before we jump into our discussion, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Professor and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next video upload. So for today, we will be discussing traffic lights. So ano ba ang traffic lights? So usually traffic lights can be seen in roads. So nakikita natin yan lagi pag tayo ay nasa kalsada. So traffic light is a set of automatically operated color lights, typically red, amber, and green, for controlling traffic at road junctions and crosswalks. And traffic lights has its own classifications. So meron tayong traffic control signal, special pedestrian signal, train approach and gate signals, and other specialized signals. So first is traffic control signal. So ito yung typical traffic light which is designed to control traffic flows in an intersection or conjunction to administer or to make sure an efficient flow of traffic. While special pedestrian signal, from the word itself, pedestrian, these are signal lights for pedestrian use. While for train approach and gate signals, ito yung usually makikita natin sa Espanya. So kung makakakita tayo or nakakadaan tayo sa Espanya, and then 'di ba sa Espanya may part doon na dumadaan yung PNR. And pag dumaan yung PNR, magkakaroon ng may traffic light ka doon na makikita na mag-stop and automatically may bababang harang. So that is an example of train approach and gates signal. So the traffic signal system is composed of three components or has three classifications rather. Meron tayong fixed time system, meron tayong progressive system, and computerized system. So when we say fixed time system, these are system or traffic signal system in which the interval is fixed in the duration of cycle. So ibig sabihin, if every 30 seconds yan bago magpalit ng kulay, every 30 seconds because it has a fixed time system. As per progressive system, it is a traffic signal system used in major arteries and the interval is staggered to allow speeding vehicle to reduce speed. And for computerized system, so the control of traffic light is computer operated. Now, let's go to road. Road is the part of traffic way that includes both the roadway, kung saan yung dinadaanan, which is the traveled part, and any shoulder alongside. So what are the parts of the roadway ba? Roadbed, it is the graded portion of the highway within top and side slopes prepared as a foundation for pavement, structure, and shoulder. So si roadbed, ito yung pinaka-base ng highway or pinaka-base ng kalsada kung saan dito ipapatong yung graded portion as well as yung top and side slopes. Next is pavement. It is the layered structure placed over a subsoil or a soil subgrade for forming a road. Shoulder, it is the portion of the roadway contiguous with traveled way for accommodation of stopped vehicle, for emergency use, and for lateral support of base and surface course. So si shoulder, ito yung part ng roadway kung saan pwedeng doon mag-stop yung mga vehicles for emergency use. So usually, nandito yan sa gilid kasi shoulder. Next is curb. Curb, it is a raised edging of a paved street and serves as an indicator of road limitation. Next is sidewalk. So from the word itself, it is the part of the roadway designed to accommodate a pedestrian traffic or any person who are traveling by foot. Next is canals. So these are depressed portion of the road alongside designed to facilitate the flow of water towards the drainage. Yung canal, literally na kanal, kung saan fina-facilitate niya yung flow of water to avoid mga baha. Next is median. Median is the part of the divided highway that separates the roadways for traffic in opposing direction. So si median, ito yung palatandaan ng hati ng kalsada, ng opposing direction na kalsada. Kasi usually wala tayong island, ang ginagamit natin is median. Next is lane. It is a segment of the road that can occupy a unit of vehicle in the entire lane of passage or length of passage and limited by road markings. Si lane, yung lane, yung pinakahaba ng daan. Next is road classification. So there are three road classifications according to its function, according to its topographical terrain, and according to its political subdivision. For according to its function, First is the feeder road. It is a traffic extended from farm to market. So, ibig sabihin, these are ito yung mga kalsada na nag-e-extend or nagkokonekta sa farm at sa palengke or market. While the major collector road, it is used as the major arteries for the purpose of collecting interlocality traffic to provincial road. So, ito yung pagkakakonekta ng mga lugar sa isang probinsya or sa provincial road. Next is local collector road. It is intended to collect traffic from feeder road to municipal road. So from the farm to market going to the municipal road. For major highway, it is used as the main artery that caters on big volumes of vehicular traffic on national roadways. An expressway, a thorough traffic for the free flow of vehicular movement that divides arterial highway with full or partial access control. Si expressway, kaya siya tinawag na free flow of vehicular movement kasi wala ka naman makikita ang mga traffic lights dyan. So, the usual stop lang sa expressway is yung toll gate kung saan doon ka magbabayad. Next is tunnel road. It is constructed to pass through a hill or sea for the sole purpose of short travel. So, ibig sabihin, isang malaking burol or isang malaking hill. So, tatagusin yung pinakagitna to create a road para mas maging madali yung for short travel. So, a good example is yung Kebyang Tunnel. Next is Skyway, a roadway constructed above the street level to facilitate a separate freeway. So ito yung may kasalanan kung bakit laging traffic ngayon because they are constructing a skyway. Subway, it is an underground tunnel designed for traveling continuously. So kung si Skyway above the street level, si Subway underground. Next is overpass. It is designed at a separate way grade above intersecting highway to facilitate free flow of traffic without interruption. Si underpass naman, it is constructed in a separate grade below an intersecting highway to facilitate free flow. Now let's go to class according to its topographical terrain. First is flat road. It is designed on a single elevation or grade. So, kumbaga flat lang. So, wala siyang any elevated or downgrade design. So, it is just a straight flat road. Next is mountainous road, a road that is usually found in mountains or mountainous terrains, and it provides a variable slopes for climbing and descending. Next is downhill road, a road designed with high slope to let the vehicle go down in a lower elevated topographical terrain. Steep hill climbing road is a road with an ascending slope and with provisions to climb on an elevated topographical terrain. For roller coaster road, it is a dangerous one with irregularities in turning and changing of elevation. So para siyang roller coaster talaga. The word itself, roller coaster. So hindi consistent yung kanyang elevation. So merong irregularities. Next is zigzag road. It is constructed to have numerous turns, while winding road, it is a road designed in a curve-like manner and it allows the driver to have steady turns. Next is class according to political subdivision. So, nandyan si Barangay Road, a farm market road with right-of-way of not less than 2 meters. So, pag pinag-usapan natin tong according to political subdivision, magkakaiba-iba lang naman yan regarding to kung saan siya nagko-connecta or kung saan siya nakasituate or located and yung lapad ng kanyang right-of-way. For Barangay Road, it can be in a farm to market road with a right-of-way of not less than 2 meters. For municipal road, a road within the town proper, which is ang right-of-way niya is not less than 10 meters. Si city road, an interlink between municipalities and within the city proper with a right-of-way of 15 meters. So si provincial road, it is a road that links two municipalities with right-of-way of 15 meters to 60 meters. And national road is the main road as a channel system with right-of-way of 20 meters to 120 meters. Intersection. It is the area where two or more roads come together. So, nag-i-intersect siya or nagko-connecta siya. Types of intersection, nandyan si signalized intersection. It means it is an intersection with traffic lights because it is signalized. Unsignalized without traffic lights. Graded separated or gate separated, it is an intersection with different elevation to avoid conflicts such as flyover and overpass. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sa same elevation. So, at different elevations such as flyover or overpass. At grade intersection, these are roads that crosses each other at the same elevation like junction and crossing. While interchange, these are intersection that provides continuous flow of traffic between intersection therein. So, combination siya ng intersections without abruption. So, ibig sabihin, continuous flow of traffic. So, thank you very much, and I do hope that you learned a lot from this video discussion. If you love this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next video upload. Thank you very much.